Good morning from South Korea. We want to do a quick video of the apartment complex that I stay in. These are mainly 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, pretty much like family units, apartments. Right there, you see that's our management office. The management office. You have a mom station, which is pretty much street. This is the bus stop here in our complex. Normally that's like the bus for kids that go to school, or like there's like a shuttle bus that takes people to the station. This right here is showing how much solar power is powering the complex. But as we continue on, so that thing right here, it goes down to the basement. Then we have a mom station. So pretty much mom stations are like little mom cafes for mom or parents who have kids and they want to come chill. Got a little kitchen area. Then we have our community center. So inside of here, there's other like facilities. I think right now, not everything is set up. This place opened up a couple months ago, so it's like a brand new development. So there's a conference room that you can check out for meetings. This is like one of the office for the apartment staff. Like I said, and that's the office. 안녕하세요. And then over here, so like I said, they're still using a lot of the rooms for kind of like administration work while they still accept new residents. So we continue on. Yeah, you see they got nice gardening, trees, art sculpture. That is the splash pad that they turn on. So they're gonna turn on the splash pad probably whenever the kids Korean school is out. So like they have like a lot of I guess you get common areas outside, like benches we can sit down. They have like these nice roads. So typically these roads aren't for regular driving. This is mainly for like pedestrian walking and service vehicles. For the most part use this, but mainly just for pedestrian walking. Over there is the senior center that's in the complex, and that's another community center. That's the community center that has the gym, screen golf, and a spa inside. We'll go over there shortly. So this is like one of the, it's like it's like 4 parks in this complex. So this one is more kind of like a gathering area. You can see we have little benches, we have water features, a little pond in here. You can come sit inside of here. It's like AC. I think you can reserve this for like little parties if you want. Over there we have a daycare center in the complex as well. There's a walking trail that goes all the way around the complex. As you can see, at my last complex, they had like water jet type shows, but this one doesn't have it. So all the parking is pretty much underneath. Is a basement parking, so cars aren't parked on the ground level. You park your car in the basement. So here's the second community center. 안녕하세요. So this is supposed to be kind of like a cafe in the future. They have laundry. You do have to pay, but I don't have to use. I have wash and dryer in my house. So like I said, over there is the spa, and then that's the gym, and then you have the screen golf. So then we head back out. So I can see up there, there's more apartments up there, and then there's also like another park on top of that for the kids to play. So like I said, there's three play areas for kids, 3 or 4. I believe me and my daughter went and walked around. I think it's 3. I don't know. So over here is another kind of like common space for the community to use. So they have indoor batting cage and tennis. So over in the multi-purpose hall, I don't know if you can see it, but that way you can't see it, but I can. That's the Samsung fab factory, the Samsung factory for semiconductors. So this area is kind of called like the Semiconductor Valley in Pyeongtaek, because we have the Samsung factory pretty much like right there. Okay, so in here, this is the tennis. This is the tennis area. Let me get the lights off. Hold on. Yeah. So tennis. And this one. And this one. This is the screen baseball. But it's not open yet. They're probably still getting it worked out. Yeah, this is a nice, there's like bathrooms. 안녕하세요. So, yeah, this is where I live at in Korea. I'm not gonna show you, I'll probably show you I do an apartment video another time. But yeah, this is where I live at in South Korea.